Hello students. So this is the second video on the implant INC question. So in the previous video we had seen how the question has to be solved and how the revised market price has to be calculated. Okay, in this video I'll be giving some explanations and notes on some important adjustments which we had considered and given effect to while solving the question. So let's start. So the first note is on current market capitalization. So all of you, what is current market capitalization? Is nothing but the value of equity. So total value of equity is nothing but the current market capitalization. Okay. Now what is this total market value of equity, market capitalization? It's nothing but the value assigned by the equity shareholders to the business. That is the worth. How much equity shareholders believe the company is worth. And how do equity shareholders come to this conclusion? Evaluate the worth of a company by considering parameters like cash flow generation ability or potential of the company. Yes. So market capitalization is nothing but the total value of equity, which is nothing but the worth of the business as decided by the shareholders considering various parameters like ability to generate cash flows or profits. Okay. Now, what will happen if subsequently, if any decision or action of the company has an impact on its cash flows or profits? So, the value of a business from the equity shareholders' point of view only, okay, not from the debt holders' point of view. The value of a business is decided by the equity shareholders by considering the cash flows or the profit generating potential of the company. Now, what will happen if because of a decision of the company or action of the company, the cash flows change? So, if the cash flows change, what will happen? The equity shareholders would re-evaluate the value of the company. So subsequently, if any decision or action of the company has an impact on its cash flows or profits, the shareholders will re-evaluate the worth, that is the value of the company. Yes, then in other words, the MPS will change. So that is what has happened in this question. Okay, so what if a decision, what will happen if a decision increases cash flows? What will be the impact on the market cap or MPS? The market cap or MPS will increase. Okay, so if a decision of the company increases the cash flows of the business, the market cap or the MPS will increase. Similarly, if a decision of the company results in decreasing the cash flows, then what the shareholders will do, the shareholders would bring down the value of the company. The market capitalization would decrease. As a result, the market price per share MPS shall decrease. So if the cash flows decrease, market cap or MPS will decrease. This is what happened. This is what has happened in the question. So in the question, what happened? We'll see that below here. So second note is on the revised market capitalization and MPS. So what happened in this question? So because of the two decisions, that is expansion project, which resulted in a positive NPV, and the bond early redemption decision. Because of these two decisions, what has happened? Cash flows of the business has increased. Okay, if cash flows increase, then what will happen? So the total market capitalization will increase. Yes, and it has increased in the question also. We saw market capitalization was $14 million previously. It increased to $21.3879 million. Why market cap increased? Because cash flows increased. The business would be generating more cash flows in the future than previously estimated. So previously the business showed a cash flow generation potential till an extent. For that extent of cash flows, the shareholders valued the business as $14 million. Now the business has shown higher cash flow generation potential in the future. Now because of this, shareholders have now valued the business up to how much? $31.3879 million. Okay. Now again when I'm telling value of business, in this particular question, I'm referring to only value of business from the perspective of equity shareholders. Then one more thing has happened in the question, everyone, but number of equity shares have increased more. So market capitalization has increased. Yes, but number of equity shares have also increased, but increased more. Because of that, what has happened? Yes, because of that, the MPS has decreased. So we have one very interesting thing has happened in this question. Market capitalization has increased because cash flows have increased, but along with that, number of equity shares have also increased, but increased more proportionately. Because of that, MPS has not increased, it has fallen. Okay. And the next note is on the present value of the redemption amount which we have considered in our calculation. Yes. So everyone, so here talking about this, see, before the board's decision, the company was supposed to redeem the bonds when after 5 years. Yes, by paying how much? $6 million. Okay. But after the board's decision, the company decided to redeem the bonds today itself, early redemption. So look at what happened. So previously the company would have paid $6 million after 5 years, but now the company will be paying $6 million, the same amount today, which is unfair, no? What would the company prefer? Would the company prefer to pay $6 million today or the same amount after 5 years? Definitely the company would prefer to pay $6 million after 5 years. So $6 million paid today and $6 million paid after 5 years, both are not same. The company will not be indifferent towards this. Okay, so $6 million company was supposed to pay after 5 years. But same amount company is also paying today itself. So unfair. So that's why we are showing the $6 million paid today as cost. We're considering that as a cost. But along with that, present value of the $6 million, we're showing that as a benefit. Why? Because now we need not pay $6 million after 5 years, which we no more need to pay after 5 years. That's why we're considering that as a benefit, and the $6 million paid today, we're considering that as a cost. Okay. So these were a few important points or even important adjustments in this question, and if we have given you notes. The notes I will be sharing in our Telegram group. The link of the Telegram group is I've given it below in the description. Okay, everyone. So hope you are clear with this question. Any doubts in this question? Any part you're not clear, or you're clear but something still is creating a little difficulty for you? You're clear but not absolutely very 100% clear. You can let me know with your comments. I will explain it. And if you want any clarification with respect to some other question, you can please put that also in the comments, or you can let me know through our Telegram group, and I will post a video clarifying that. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Please keep preparing. Please keep revising. All the best.